Look at this email from PayPal. You received $18.70 in USD. This payment was because of an article I wrote, and then I got this amount, right? If you want to know how you can get this by simply writing articles, then make sure you watch this video to the end, right? So let's jump right into this. How this works is that there are a lot of innovative companies that are registered with this company right here, MindSumo. So when you sign up on this website as a solver, basically what you're going to be doing is to help these companies that are registered with MindSumo get innovative ideas. So let's say you have a restaurant, for instance, and you're looking for new ideas about your business for the year 2023. You could come here and launch a project. As you can see here, I'm a company, so you could come here and launch a project with this website right here, and the people who are registered here as solvers would give you ideas, and these guys in turn would get money for their ideas. So you would pay them money for giving you good and innovative ideas. So that's how this thing works. So companies can come here and register. You as a solver can come here and register, right? So you can see here it says a business can't grow without innovation. MindSumo helps you crowdsource breakthrough ideas quickly and affordable from creative problem solvers, right? So all you have to do is, once you're here on this website, to create an account, right? Once you've created an account and you've logged in, creating an account is very simple. So you would come to this icon here, which is going to represent your account, right? So you're going to come here and see profiles, earnings, my dojo, inbox, settings, contactos, and then log out. Okay, so you're going to click on my dojo, right? So once you click on my dojo, that's going to bring you to all of the questions that are available for you to solve, right? So but before we continue, I would like to point out that this website pays you in PayPal. That's number one. So you've got to have a functional PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, you might have issues getting your money from this website. And the second is that this website requires you to be a citizen of the United States, or living in the United States. Okay, so that's how you'll be able to participate in these projects, right? Okay, but a lot of people do this by using VPN. Okay, so I wouldn't advise you to do that. You might run into some issues, especially if your PayPal account is not a US PayPal account. You might just have some issues with PayPal. Okay, so if you are a US citizen or you live in the US, right, you can do this, right? So all you would have to do is to come over here and answer some of these questions, right? So you can see right here, I've got these questions here, and the first one is, what non-food consumer product trends will emerge and fade away in 2023, right? If you want to do that, you can do that. Okay, as you can see here, it tells you how many days are left. There are 25 days left for this question to be out of this place. Okay, and $1,000 is going to be shared for the people selected, right? And then you can see the next one here, this one, how would you improve or reduce secondary packaging during shipping, right? And this one, 24 days left, $1,600 would be shared among the selected winners, right? So all you would have to do is to come here and select the best question, the one you think you can do, right? So you actually don't need to worry about how you can solve this, because nowadays the internet is always there to help you out, right? So let me show you how you can do this and get sent some money. Okay, like I got $18 for just answering the question. That's even a small amount compared to the amount of money you can make on this website, right? You can even write an article and get paid $50, $100, even $200. Okay, so it depends on how impactful and innovative your ideas, their articles are, right? So let's say you want to do this, you're going to click on this one. There are 18 days left. So what you would want to do is to pay attention to the title. So it says, what food trends will emerge and fade away in 2023? Food trends that will emerge and would also fade away. That's a very important part of the question to note. Okay, so, and this is it. There are 19 submissions already. You can see people are doing this, and people are making money, right? So you can do it too. Who says you can't do it? There are 18 days left. You can jump in on this. This is very simple. It's all about food. Who doesn't know something about food? Okay, so Now, this is where people get it wrong, okay? They write just anything without following the deliverables. This right here is very important. Okay, so when you're going to be writing, you're going to make sure that you follow these things here, okay? Because they're going to rate you based on how you follow these deliverables here. So the first one here is, what food trends do you think will be new or grow in popularity in 2023? Okay, so that's a question. So you're going to be listing the food trends, and you're not just listing them, you're going to talk about why you picked the food trend, and also you're going to talk about what consumer groups will be most excited about this food trend in question, right? So that's very important. So in your paragraphs, you're going to make sure you capture these highlighted points, right? And the second one, it says, what current food trends will fade away in 2023 because people are sick of it, right? People are no longer interested in eating such foods, right? So you're going to answer this following these points here, right? So you're going to talk about why you think the food trend would fade away in 2023, and that's pretty much it, right? And then you would submit. So you might say, how am I going to do this? Where am I going to get these ideas? So one place you could find very resourceful for you to be able to do this is to come to a website like Quora and ask that question. Now, as you can see, the question is already asked on Quora, and I'm pretty much sure that the person who asked this question is actually trying to get an idea to submit to the MindSumo website. Can you see? So basically what you're going to do is, when such questions come, you can come here on Quora and ask it, okay? Before the deadline, you might get innovative ideas from people here, and then you combine these ideas, add yours to it, and be very innovative, and then that's how you can answer the question. So if we ask the question directly on Google, you can see that the first result here is actually that question from MindSumo. So that question is actually ranking on Google, right? So you wouldn't want to click on this. This is going to take you directly to the MindSumo website. So what you're going to do is to find other places right here, if possible. Go to the next page of Google to get innovative ideas, and that's how you can do it. So somebody once asked me, how do I write it? Look at it. This is where you're going to write it. So you're going to put the title right here, okay? So what's the title? The title is, what food trends would emerge and fade away in 2023. So you are gonna practically come here and type this thing, right? So if I click on that, you can see I can type right there. Once you are sure you have the right content to submit, what you would want to do is to click the submit button, right? Sometimes you might want to attach a picture or whatever. You might want to use this button here to upload it from your mobile device or computer or whatever device or gadget you're using, right? So, and then once you're done, you will click the submit button, right? So that's it. That's how to submit. So people make money online, right? And this is how they do it. You need to take action, okay? It's not all about watching videos and reading that and reading all of those things you read on the internet, right? Take action. You need to do something. This is Big LBs, and it's your guy Ken signing out.